Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you how to get more memory expansion on your Xiaomi device. If your phone is running out of memory, Xiaomi's memory expansion feature can help improve performance by using some of your internal memory as virtual RAM. So let's get started. Open the Settings app on your Xiaomi device, then in the drop-down menu, look for the option Additional Settings and then click on it. By clicking on the Additional Settings option, a new page will open where you will also look for the option Memory Extension in the drop-down menu and then click on it. The app will open the following page where you can see the extra memory in the size. 2 GB, 3 GB, 5 GB. It's up to you to decide how much you want to boost your memory and then click on it. A small note, the option will be enabled if there is enough storage space on your device. And that's it. With Memory Extension, you can improve the performance of your Xiaomi phone without the need for hardware upgrades. It's a simple and effective way to handle memory-intensive tasks. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your devices. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.